On every stock page, there is a colored verdict, and green is the one everybody wants to see. So let me be precise about what green actually means, because it isn't a promise that a stock will go up. Nothing can promise you that. The buy zone answers one question. Compared to its own history, is this stock priced low or priced high right now? It looks at 10 to 15 years of that specific company, works out what investors have normally been willing to pay for its earnings, and marks where today sits on that range. That alone would be dangerous, because a collapsing company gets less expensive all the way down. So the verdict also weighs the quality of the business. Green means the price sits low against its own history, and the company underneath still looks healthy. What green doesn't mean is, buy now. It doesn't know what happens next quarter, whether the market falls, or whether that industry is about to change. It's one honest input, not an instruction, and treating it as a signal is the fastest way to be disappointed by it. Every number here is on the page, with the date it came from, smart charts. The stock market, explained in plain English. Nothing here is financial advice.